Hey, what's going on, peeps, man? It's your boy coming at you with another video. This video, I'm extremely excited because I've been waiting long and hard to get this kit and install it. So anyway, just for those who don't know, I'm going to be installing the vertical door ink kit on my 2011 V6 Camaro, man.
Yeah, man. Kriese.
You going hard on this one, my nigga. I told you I got you, though. You know what I'm saying?
So basically, these doors are going to go up. No more going horizontal. These doors are going to go vertically up, okay? And I'm excited because I've been waiting for at least 3 to 4 years to do this. I've been wanting to do it for quite a long time. However, I just couldn't get myself to pay $1,500 for a kit. So patience is a great virtue. You know why? Because I was able to get the kit for half the price. I got my kit with shipping and everything for like $850. Okay, and they got a sale going on, guys. So anybody who's been wanting to do the vertical doors and the Lambo doors on your car, man, check vertical door ink out, and they got a sale going on, man. You can basically get that kit half price out the door with shipping and everything. So y'all jump on that, man. Don't be sleeping. And I'm glad I waited. So anyway, I'm gonna be doing this myself. I've been watching a few videos on YouTube on how to install it. So I'm pretty confident. Been watching videos just like the same thing when I change my seats out in my car, when I change my headlights in the front, and every other thing that I've pretty much changed out thus far. I've got all that information off of YouTube. So YouTube is a great resource when you're trying to do DIY projects, okay? So always keep that in mind, man. Go to YouTube first, okay? Because the kit already cost me $8 something, and I didn't want to spend another $800 to $1,000 for somebody to install it when I know I'm capable of doing that myself, okay? And I know you guys can too. All right, here's the door kit right here. Came packaged pretty securely, okay? Box is pretty heavy too. I mean, not too bad, but enough to where if you don't kind of brace yourself thinking it's light, you will drop it, so be careful. So here is one of the door hinges right here. You can see, I'm not sure if these are symmetrical, which I'm assuming they're not. Obviously, one side's for the left, one side's for the right. So I don't think they're symmetrical, but that's one of the hinges. Got some more of this wire lube right there. Not sure exactly what this is right here. I'm thinking it might be the shocks. Obviously the necessary hardware packaged up. You can kind of see it in between there, the bolts and everything. And we got the other hinge, okay? And this thing is pretty solid, man. So as you can see, this is the kit right here. Yeah, we got both hinges. We got the wire lube right there. We got the, I believe this is the shocks. I'm finna actually unpackage that. And obviously the hardware right here. Yep, these are the shocks. Both shocks right here. Packaged very neatly, okay? So that's one of them. And then the other one is right here. So yeah, there we have it. It's everything right there, okay? Nice and neat. So I'll be putting those vertical doors on the V6 Camaro. So let's get into it. But anyway, enough rambling. First things first, I'm gonna start unbolting and taking this fender off, because what I'm gonna do the driver's side first. Even if it takes me, I don't know, 2 to 3 days to get it done, I'm cool with that. I'm thinking about all the knowledge I got and all the money I saved by just doing it myself. So I'm all for that. So I'm gonna be taking this this front fender off, and then, you know, doing the door and everything, and yeah, we finna make it happen, man. Get these doors on there, man. Okay. All right, guys, here we are. As you can see, I got the driver fender off. Well, it really wasn't too bad taking it off. Only bolt that I really was struggling with is this guy right here. Okay. Because I had everything loose. I had this guy loose. I had these two below loose, and got these 3 loose with these 2 right here, no problem. However, it was just this bolt, because I took all those other 5 screws or bolts out, and then I was like, damn, something's not something's not giving right now, and I found out it was actually this bolt right here. Okay, so yeah. But as you can see, again, I got the fender off, and we're finna get ready to start do the speaker harness right here, and start taking the door, the stock door hinges off, and putting the other one on. Okay. So here we are, guys. I got them on there. Okay. Obviously the fenders aren't on, but the doors are on. They're working properly. And I'm not gonna lie, it was a little challenging, man, but that's what they say about these Lambo door kits is getting it just right, aligning them right so they open and shut, because obviously you want everything lining up before you reinstall the fenders back on. Okay, but kind of give you guys a little tester here. So it goes out about 40 degrees. Then once it stops, just lift it up, and that's it. Boom. Okay. So that's the driver's side. And the passenger side, okay? All lined up. Again, 40 degrees, lift up, and boom, okay? So there we go, man. They on there. So only thing I gotta do is go ahead and put my fenders on. I got some drilling I have to do. And then I'm gonna reinsert these fenders on, and I'm gonna come back with the finished product, man. But overall, I cannot lie, I'm pretty happy with this. Pretty happy, okay? Boom. Huh? Yeah, come on over. Yeah, we got somebody. Huh? I'm actually, cause I do a YouTube channel, so, and I just actually installed them myself. Yeah? Yeah. I'll put them on maybe. So guys, that's how it is. As you can see, random people just come up and they tell me, hey man, nice car. I mean, these Lambo doors, have a good one. These Lambo doors really make it happen, man. All right guys, so I'm back again. I just want to give you guys a solid clip, and I couldn't because I actually got distracted by somebody else who was just enjoying my car and giving me props. So here, I'm gonna go ahead, open the doors up, let you know everything's working legitly, and yeah, okay, let's get it, man. All right, so here we are, guys. Again, I open it about 40 degrees, it'll stop, and then once it stops, just raise it up. Boom, just like that, okay? Okay. Same over here with the passenger, about 40 degrees, stops, raise it, and it goes right up, okay? And I must say, man, I actually like how it brings the car out. I get a lot of attention. Now, as soon as I pull up, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I pull up to the gas station and shit. I mean, pardon my French, and I just leave the door open, okay? So yeah, it brings a lot of attention, and yeah, that's just how it is, man. And I'm very happy with this modification. And again, guys, I would not recommend this for a daily driver. This is not my daily driver though. This car I probably drive maybe once, twice, every 2 weeks tops, you know, and that's to bring it out to, you know, on weekends and stuff like that, okay? But yeah, I don't drive this every day anymore, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how everything's working, you know, properly and everything, and yeah, okay? And I just love how once the doors go open, you could just see fully in, you know, the car, and the interior and everything just pops. I mean, I would definitely recommend this mod for anybody, especially if it's like a show car you're trying to do, man. Like, cause it's nothing better than the Lambo doors, man. Okay. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.
Nice guy in general, on these tracks I can get mean. Mr. Tony Tone, hit me, say need a 16. I stay clean when I'm on the scene, let me intervene. Fictitious name Kriese, so you know I spit it pristine. Talk with haters in one language, yeah, I call